Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Christmas gifts is probably one of the most daunting tasks for parents and loved ones, especially when it comes to finding the perfect present for a 7-year-old girl. This age group is brimming with boundless energy, vivid imaginations, and a wide spectrum of interests, making the selection process both exciting and challenging. Finding a gift that sparks joy, encourages creativity, and fosters their development requires careful consideration of their unique personality and passions. Number 5. Purple Ladybug Unicorn Water Bottle Kit. Transform a plain water bottle into a sparkling masterpiece. It's easy and fun for kids to decorate with gemstones and stickers. This kit has a 20-ounce water bottle, unicorn charms, sticker sheets, and a wristlet. There are even extra stickers for more decorating fun. Looking for a creative and practical gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful present that kids will love. It's easy for little hands to use, the stickers are waterproof, and it's made with safe, non-toxic materials. The leak-proof lid keeps drinks secure. We prioritize your child's safety. It's made with BPA-free materials and rigorously tested to meet international safety standards. What we like? It's a unique unicorn-themed water bottle that kids can decorate themselves. If you are looking for a fun and practical gift that encourages creativity and healthy habits, this is perfect. It's also made with safe, non-toxic materials, so you can rest assured your child is safe while having fun. What people say? So fun and creative. The stickers are cute and stick well. Great gift or rainy day project. Amazing product if you have kids. My daughter loves her new water bottle. She also had so much fun decorating it. I love that it's like an activity and she gets to personalize her own bottle. Perfect for her age, she's 7. Great quality and much more stickers that can be used so you can use them for something else too. The kit comes with everything needed to transform a plain water bottle into a unique masterpiece. Multiple sheets of vibrant stickers, glittery gems, and colorful markers. The variety of decorations allows for endless combinations, ensuring that each bottle reflects its creator's personality and style. Number 4. Dr. Unicorn Hooded Bathrobe. Wrap yourself in softness and comfort with this adorable hooded bathrobe. It's perfect for cozy nights and relaxing after bath time. This robe is made from incredibly soft material, gentle on your skin. You'll love how comfortable it feels. The charming unicorn design adds a touch of magic to your relaxation time. It's a fun and whimsical addition to your loungewear. Step out of the bath and into this cozy robe. It's the perfect way to stay warm and dry after a relaxing soak. Give the gift of ultimate comfort and style with this unique bathrobe. It's a thoughtful present for any unicorn lover. The attached hood provides extra warmth and coziness, making it perfect for chilly evenings. Snuggle up and enjoy the comfort. What we like? This hooded bathrobe is incredibly soft and cozy, perfect for snuggling up after bath time. If your child loves unicorns and enjoys relaxing in comfort, this robe is a must-have. It's the perfect blend of comfort and fun, making bath time a magical experience. What people say? It is so warm and she loves the unicorn style. It's true to size and very soft. Great quality and is still in good condition even after washing and drying. This unicorn bathrobe is soft, so fluffy material. It is true size. It a perfect gift for unicorn-loving children. It is really warm and thick, good quality. The unicorn hood with the horn is super cute, and she loves looking at herself in the mirror with it on. Perfect for any little unicorn fan. Number 3. Goopow Kids Camera. It's lightweight and easy for little hands to hold. The colorful design makes it extra fun. It captures 1080p video and crisp photos. Zoom in for a closer look at all the details. This isn't just a camera, it has games and 28 different scene settings to explore. It's packed with fun. Simply turn it on and start snapping. The rechargeable battery provides hours of playtime. Adult supervision is recommended during charging. It's small and portable, perfect for taking on trips and capturing memories. The included lanyard makes it easy to carry around. This camera makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays. It's durable, fun, and perfect for kids aged 3 to 8. What we like? This kid's camera boasts high-definition video and photo capabilities, along with multiple fun games. If you're looking for a gift that combines entertainment and creative expression, this camera is a great choice. Its simple design makes it easy for young children to use and enjoy. What people say. It's really cute and has a neck strap so it can be taken on outings without getting lost. It's fairly small so it's good for traveling. The pictures also come out pretty well for a children's camera. You can upload your pictures to your computer since it holds SD cards. It's really good quality too. It's been thrown around a few times since buying it and there isn't so much as a scratch on it. It also has little mini games the kids can play. It is an amazing little camera with color. The images are very clear. It is kid-friendly. There are so many features in it, such as you can filter with backgrounds. It also records videos. You can take selfies. You can also play games and upload music. You put in a SD card to save the pics and videos. It does bring a detachable cover, the other a lanyard. It is tiny and light, which has turned out to be a good thing. My little one can carry it all day on hikes with no complaints. It holds a charge really well, has a big memory capacity, and the photo quality, while not exactly professional grade, is not as terrible as I thought it would be. It is pretty intuitive to use. It took my son maybe a day of playing around with it before he got everything down. He enjoys the games and the filters as well. Number 2. Glow Unicorn Blanket. This blanket is made of super soft flannel, perfect for cuddling up on the couch. It's 100% plush polyester, gentle on even the most sensitive skin. It shines in the dark after just 10 minutes of exposure to light. The brighter the light, the stronger the glow. It's fun for sleepovers and makes a great nightlight. It's perfect for all seasons. Use it as a cozy blanket at home, a travel blanket, or even a sheet. It keeps you warm in winter and cool in summer. This makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Kids will love its magical glow and soft texture. We're confident you'll love this blanket. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This blanket is super soft and glows in the dark, adding a magical touch to bedtime. If you want to give a gift that combines comfort and fun, especially for kids who love unicorns, this is it. It's also versatile enough to be used as a travel blanket or even a play blanket. What people say. It glows in the dark and it's comfortable and colorful. Soft, nice size, cute design, does glow in the dark well. Washes up well and holds its shape. Nice size and weight. Number 1. Purple Ladybug Sungemmers Kit. It's everything you need in one box. Get ready to create beautiful, sparkling window decorations with this engaging kit. No glue, no paint, just peel and stick. It's a hassle-free creative activity for kids and parents. This interactive craft project boosts fine motor skills and color recognition. It encourages imaginative expression. A wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays. It provides hours of screen-free fun and beautiful window art. Made with non-toxic, kid-friendly materials. The stickers create a vibrant, stained glass effect that will brighten any window. From the makers of Purple Ladybug, a winner of the 2024 Parents' Picks Award. Discover more exciting designs. What we like. This Suncatcher kit lets kids create beautiful, sparkling window decorations without the mess. If your child enjoys arts and crafts, this is a fantastic option. It's a fun, creative activity that results in a beautiful, personalized decoration. What people say. The Sungemmers Suncatcher Kit is a fantastic all-in-one craft set that delivers a fun, mess-free, and engaging creative experience for kids. With 2 large, pre-printed designs, a heart and a flower, over 1,000 sparkling stickers, and easy-to-follow instructions, this kit provides everything needed for children to create vibrant, window-worthy art. It's an excellent way to develop hand-eye coordination and color recognition while keeping children entertained. This is a cute and quiet easy craft for younger children. It comes with 2 designs to follow if you choose. Or you can design the gems with your own ideas. It's good for hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills for young children. They're super colorful and easy to apply to a window of your choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.